bring your computer in here. We'll put it right here.
Blake. Good morning. Good morning. My little baby bunkaboo. Good
He's
morning.
like,
He
hi.
waved.
He waved. Hi, Blake.
Good morning, baby bear. Baby
Look at those
bear.
muscles. Did you see them?
Yes. My little fat boys. Oh, he's so cute. Good
Hi,
morning.
Blakey.
Say good morning, darling. Say good morning.
It's probably too
He's
close.
like, oh shoot, what is that? Oh no. Say good morning.
Ooh. That's good
You
morning.
got gremlins in the belly, huh?
Gremlins in the belly. Gremlins
It
in
probably
the
smells
belly.
like onions. His farts stink. He's too young now. Farts like that. Say good morning.
He's concentrating.
Yes, he does. He does a cast gas. Look at
Good
him, happy.
morning. Look at my chunk of bunk.